This home over here is absolutely fantastic. It is the Eliot. It's from Rockwell Homes. Now this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. I'm over in Winter Garden, over in Winding Bay. Great looking home, large home. Very nice, beautiful home. This home is definitely a luxury home, luxury looking. And the love bugs are out here in Florida, so if you're noticing little bugs crawling around, it's the love bugs. It's that time of year. And this is the Winding Bay section over here. You can see the land is being leveled and prepped. This home is a very nice looking home, but it's also very different. And I think that's the reason why I'm really liking this right now is because it looks so different from so many homes that just look so similar. Looking forward to checking out the inside more. Okay, so you can see there's plenty of room on the front porch. You could really put a lot of seats out here. It's really nice looking home. Now, to be fair, I have seen a little bit of the inside, just a little bit, and so far I love it. It's beautiful. Okay, so when you first walk in, you got this nice little, which they kind of have set up as like a little sitting room. And then we have a second doorway over here, and this is not something that you see. Well, at least I can't really think of any place else that has had the home set up that way. Okay, so you have a half bath. Got this really nice large room over here. Very open and spacious feeling when you walk in this house. I know the video is not going to do it any justice as to how you feel in it. Here's your storage underneath the stairs. Okay, so over to the right is also the sales office. I'm not going to be going into the sales office. Okay. So your laundry room connects into a closet. Now this I have not seen. Ah, this is going into the master. Beautiful, beautiful. Towel closet. Beautiful. Very, very large closet. Try to give you a little higher view. I'm going to go back outside. I'm going to go into the master bedroom from the kitchen. Beautiful home. It's really a beautiful home. I love it. Model's gorgeous. And I don't say that too often. This is really, really nice home. Of course, as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. And as I do say in every video, please contact me first before you contact any home builders. When you contact home builders, many times you can void your free to you because it's paid by the builder, realtor representation. That's a beautiful kitchen. What a nice, spacious. Oh, look at that pool. Now we're talking. Got the outdoor kitchen, pool, and a lot of space to sit outside as well. Fantastic. Okay, now let's go into the master bathroom. Okay, let's go back into that master bathroom now and check it out from the opposite end. Yeah, this closet's huge. This closet is larger than most bedrooms in other homes. Wow. Okay, second floor time. Okay, so what's nice about this right away is that you have a landing. So there's only a few steps to go up at a time, and then you could pause. This is really fantastic. I love this loft over here, and I like the size of it and the shape of it. Excellent room for a home theater setup. You got 3 solid walls, and you have this over here, which is it's kind of set up like a study. So if you have a lot of kids that are doing their homework, you could toss a lot of books in these cabinets. Or you could make this into a little playroom or some kind of entertainment room. At least that's what I'm seeing when I look at it. Very nice bathroom. And these tiles are great. I really like these tiles. Very nice, very nice. Oh wow, this closet, I'm just going to show you the floor space first. This is a nice walk-in closet. Considering that this is just a regular bedroom, let me see if I can rotate in here strangely. I'm kind of stuffed in the corner. But yeah, considering that this is just a standard bedroom and a large one at that, that's a very, very nice closet. This closet is also large for this style. I'm gonna back up. So it actually goes from one end of the wall to the other. So from that corner all the way to right before the light switch. So actually where this outlet is over here. Very nice. So if you have somebody that's going to be staying with you as a guest, or if you just need a room like this for maybe a relative that's living with you, or somebody else that wants to have a private bath, this is definitely the room. And this bedroom is very large. I'm kind of back in the corner. You can see just how large it is. And this door, I don't think I opened it. This is the air conditioning. Yeah. Just another view. And I do hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Check out my website at wintergardenew.com. You can always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page if it is listed on the MLS. Many times builders do not put their homes on the MLS. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder, and what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.